everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home garden decor and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Do you look at your backyard and see nothing but dark, gloomy corners? Do you think the shade is killing your garden dreams? Think again. Today we're unlocking the hidden potential of your shady space to create a lush, tranquil, and breathtaking landscape. We're covering everything from the best plants to the top 10 landscape ideas you can steal for your own yard. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be excited to transform your darkest corner into a stunning backyard oasis. First things first, what exactly is a backyard shade garden landscape? Simply put, it's a garden specifically designed to thrive in areas that receive limited direct sunlight, typically 4 hours or less per day, or filtered light throughout the day. These areas are often found under dense tree canopies, alongside tall fences, or on the north side of a house. It's not about fighting the shade, but embracing it. A well-designed shade garden uses the available light to highlight the diverse textures and colors of foliage. Think lush greens, variegated leaves, and stunning pops of color from shade-loving blooms, creating an environment that feels cool, serene, and deeply relaxing. It's a complete shift in focus from sun-drenched floral beds to a sophisticated blend of texture and deep, calming color. So why bother converting your shady spot? The benefits of having a backyard shade garden landscape are numerous and compelling. Firstly, they offer a natural retreat from the heat. While your sunny deck might be scorching in the afternoon, your shade garden remains a cool, tranquil haven, perfect for unwinding. Secondly, they demand less water than sun gardens because the lower light levels reduce evaporation, making them an excellent choice for water conservation. This also means less maintenance in terms of watering. Thirdly, shade gardens allow you to highlight the incredible variety and texture of foliage. Many shade-loving plants like hostas and ferns boast spectacular leaves that add year-round interest, often outshining the temporary beauty of flowers. Finally, they contribute significantly to biodiversity, providing a necessary habitat for many beneficial insects and small wildlife, enriching the ecosystem right in your own backyard. Now for the fun part. How do you decorate your backyard shade garden landscape to look beautiful? Since the light is lower, you need to use elements that enhance the mood and draw the eye. Structure and pathways are essential. Use natural materials like flagstone, gravel, or stepping stones to create paths that invite exploration. This adds definition and mystery. Art and focal points are key. A small bubbling fountain adds a soothing soundscape, while a decorative bird bath, like the one in our examples, can become a stunning centerpiece. Don't forget garden art, such as statues, lanterns, or a vibrant piece of vertical wall art to introduce color where flowers might be sparse. Lighting is a game changer. Low-voltage landscape lighting, particularly uplighting on trees or spotlights on key plants, transforms the garden at night, highlighting texture and creating a magical, intimate atmosphere, as you'll see in our 10th idea. Finally, consider comfortable seating. Even a small, tucked-away bench or a dedicated deck area can turn a garden view into a garden destination, making the space functional and inviting. To have a thriving shade garden, you must choose the right players. Here are some of the best plants for a backyard shade garden landscape that you should absolutely consider. First, hostas, the undisputed king of the shade garden, available in countless sizes, colors, and variegations, from deep blue-green to bright chartreuse. Second, ferns, add a delicate, airy, and primeval texture. Look for varieties like Japanese painted fern, ostrich fern, or maidenhair fern. Third, astilbe, provides beautiful feathery plumes of color in shades of red, pink, purple, and white. They thrive in moist shade. Fourth, impatiens, perfect for a mass of vibrant, reliable color, especially the New Guinea impatiens. Fifth, bleeding hearts or dicentra, offers unique, heart-shaped flowers and beautiful, lacy foliage in the spring. Sixth, hellebores or Lenten rose, evergreen and one of the earliest bloomers, bringing color to the late winter or early spring garden. Seventh, hydrangea. Many varieties like the smooth hydrangea tolerate or prefer some shade and provide stunning, long-lasting flowers. Eighth, hakanekloa or Japanese forest grass, adds movement and a bright, cascading texture, especially the Arila variety. All right, it's time for the inspiration. We've scoured the best designs to bring you our top 10 best backyard shade garden landscape ideas. Let these stunning gardens spark your creativity. 1. The Massed Azalea and Hosta Hillside Garden. A stunning example of using flowering shrubs to dominate a shady space. This sloped garden features large drifts of colorful azaleas in pink, salmon, and lilac, which provide a spectacular spring display. Ground cover is created by large clumps of variegated hostas and ferns, which take over and provide texture after the azaleas fade. The rough-hewn stone border retains the soil and adds a rustic, naturalistic element to this vibrant, high-impact landscape. 2. The formal English cottage garden entrance. This look combines formality with lush, overflowing shade plantings. A dark, ornate metal arbor frames the view to a seating area, acting as a clear gateway. The path is lined with tightly clipped boxwood spheres, which provide year-round structure, contrasting with the soft, overflowing beds of ferns, hostas, and other shade perennials. The dark gravel path provides a clean, textural ground plane, leading the eye through the lush landscape to the historic home beyond. 3. The bold foliage and color focal point. This modern shade garden uses a single, dramatic specimen plant, the bright red Japanese maple, as a powerful, low-maintenance focal point. The red is accentuated by surrounding it with dark green shrubs and masses of pink and purple astilbe. The entire bed is unified by a thick layer of dark mulch, which suppresses weeds and makes the foliage colors pop. White mophead hydrangeas anchor the sides, providing large, luminous blooms against the dense greenery. 4. The variegated hosta and pink impatiens corner bed. This classic shade garden design uses a strong contrast between the dark wooden fence and the bright, variegated foliage of the hostas. The curved border, defined by a simple black metal edging, creates a soft transition to the lawn. Pops of vibrant pink impatiens along the edge and in hanging baskets draw the eye, while tall ornamental grasses in the background add vertical interest and screen the fence line. It's a perfect example of maximizing color in a partially shaded space. 5. The lush, bermed foundation planting. Perfect for a side or front yard, this landscape uses berms, raised mounds of soil, and a smooth concrete border to create dramatic depth. The garden is packed with various shrubs and perennials, including ferns, hostas, and dark-leaved plants, which provide year-round interest and lushness right up to the house. The dense, layered planting creates a sense of privacy and softens the architecture of the home, transforming the lawn from a flat space into a curved, verdant garden room. 6. The traditional birdbath border. This classic deep shade border utilizes a variety of dense, evergreen, and deciduous shrubs to create a solid dark green backdrop. The traditional stone birdbath serves as a lovely, wildlife-friendly focal point, centered among the diverse foliage. Large-leafed hostas dominate the foreground, while smaller, colorful perennials like begonias and impatiens fill in the edges, offering reliable color contrast against the deep green background. 7. Tree surround boulder border with foliage contrast. This design beautifully integrates the garden around the base of mature trees, using large, smooth river stones to create a clean, natural border. The planting scheme highlights the power of foliage contrast. Chartreuse, pale blue-green, and creamy variegated hostas create a striking visual pattern. Daylilies and tall grasses add height and a touch of color, softening the transition from the base of the large tree trunks to the surrounding lawn. This style is low maintenance and naturally beautiful. 8. The flagstone path and woodland stroll. This design is all about creating a journey. A natural flagstone pathway winds through the dense shade plantings, inviting exploration. The path is softened by creeping ground covers like creeping jenny and low hostas. Large, dramatic focal points, such as the mossy boulder and the tall plumes of red astilbe, break up the continuous greenery, while white hydrangeas in the background add light and height, giving the garden an enchanting, mysterious atmosphere. 9. The tiered woodland rock garden. This rich, multi-layered garden embraces a natural woodland feel. A rustic stacked stone retaining wall provides excellent drainage and structure, allowing the garden to spill over with a riot of textures and colors. Large swaths of chartreuse and deep green hostas are interspersed with ferns and colorful blooms. The high canopy of mature trees provides dappled shade, making it an ideal environment for diverse plantings that create a dense, enchanting, and seemingly effortless landscape. 10. The modern illuminated evening retreat. This luxurious design proves that shade gardens can be contemporary and inviting. A dark, modern accent wall with an integrated fireplace serves as a striking focal point, contrasting beautifully with the light wood deck and horizontal slat fence. The use of accent lighting, from warm spotlights on the trees and plants to soft basket lanterns, transforms the area into an intimate evening oasis. Lush plantings of shrubs and small trees border the deck, maintaining a private and cool environment for the stylish outdoor seating area. From lush, tropical-like foliage to intimate, illuminated patios, you can see that shade is not a problem. It's an opportunity. By focusing on texture, thoughtful decoration, and the right plants, your shady backyard can become the most beautiful and peaceful part of your home. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please hit that like button. What's your favorite shade plant? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips on transforming your garden, no matter the challenges. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!